Hello, guys. For this week, we turning our attention to a topic that we've seen already, we talked already in this platform, but I'm very keen to discuss about that again and again because that's what it takes for you to actually properly understand, this topic and how you make forward and take action on it. So we're going to be talking about the growing field of sustainable investment funds. And as we having more investors who seek to align their portfolio with their values, sustainable investing has become a key area of focus in the financial world. And what I want to do here is to explore the fundamentals of sustainable investment funds. I want to look at the criteria used to value them, their performance compared to traditional funds, and the profile of those investors who are actually driving this movement. Are you ready for that? So let's go for it. Hello again. My name is Tony T. I'm the founder and CEO of Renewables in Africa. What we do, it's very, very simple. We raise awareness about renewables energy in Africa, but also across the globe. If you are a project developer, if you are an EPC company, if you are an investor, or you are a supplier and you want to step into Africa, I will be delighted to talk to you and see how we can support you in your growth. And I know there are two key questions that you have. One of them shall be definitely. So, how can you reduce your business development costs? And the second one close to that is how can you accelerate your customer acquisition process? Because the speed at which you can resolve this question will determine whether or not you were successful. And this is where I want to help you. I want to help you with the package that we build, the awareness package that we build, right? Which is actually going to give you three things. First thing that it gives you, it's visibility, key, paramount for everybody, right? So you want to be visible to people that matter to you. Who are these people? People that buy your product, your service, that obviously work on the program that you've designed for them. So once you have that visibility to the right target audience, guess what? It becomes a lot easier to have qualified leads, and that's what our program going to help you to get. Once you get those qualified leads, guess what you can do? Especially if you have a good product, good service, you're going to be making sales. This is actually what we're talking about here. We'll actually show you what we've developed, how we've been able to showcase that to other people, and why we are absolutely convinced it will just work perfectly for you. So book a 15-minute call with me, and I'll be delighted to have this conversation, right? And you see whether or not this is something that you could look at. Yeah, I believe it's quite simple. Yep. So for today, for this week, as I say, we want to talk about sustainable investment fund. They are designed for financial returns while promoting environmental social governance. Yeah, ESG. And these funds invest in companies that meet certain sustainability criteria. And they will focus on area like renewables energy, clean technology, or also social impact. And the concept is very basic, very simple, right? It's rooted in the belief that companies with strong ESG practices, you know, are better positioned for long-term success. And you will have different type of sustainable funds that will include ESG focused fund. So you have ESG focused funds, as I mentioned, that are social responsible funds. We also call it the SRI fund, but also impact investing fund. So we can be looking at that a little bit more into detail. But it's important for you to understand the basic of sustainable investment fund and understand that it is essential for investors looking to make a positive impact with their portfolio while pursuing financial return. And this is actually what we want to give you. So throughout the week, we're going to be looking at a little bit more detail, some element of it. But I'm hoping that already it gives you an idea what sustainable investment fund. And feel free to like the video, leave a comment, and share with people that you know. And I'll be delighted for my part to see you tomorrow to carry on this conversation that we've just started. Okay? I'll see you tomorrow.